important strategic locations पर attack किया गया.
No, they live in movies. I must give credit. They have a very good theatre. They have very good this Bollywood, but that's not the reality. You have to grow out. Please stop living in Bollywood. Grow up. This sort of war they can keep on fighting for next many days. They think that this is war, that whatever comes to your mind you start claiming. Why they are doing it? What's the sense of doing this? Because your face has been blackened on night of 6th and 7th May, because we shot down your aircraft, your so-called very high technology aircraft that you were having, and you thought you can get away with it. And then once you didn't want to send your manned aircraft, you sent your unmanned drones, and we took each one of them out. Your face is being rubbed. You are frustrated. We can feel your frustration. We can feel your anger. Starting from 22nd April, you couldn't provide a shred of evidence. Nobody believes in your concocted story. Everyone knows that you are lying. And then you kill citizens, civilians, innocents. You kill children. Your lie is getting clearer for everyone to see. Your cruelty, your hubristic mindset is getting clearer. Your extremism, your anger is getting clearer. So you have to satisfy, and the people inside your country, starting from 22nd April, they are asking you, what have you done? Who are these people? Why there is this security failure? Because you have no answer to them? No, you concoct stories. We have taken down F-16. Karachi is burning. Quetta is burning. Prime Minister of Pakistan has been taken to a safe location. This, that, whatever comes to your mind. Is this a joke going on? These are two states. Their lives of hundreds of millions of people, thousands of millions of people at stake. The world peace is at stake. And this is what you are feeding. This is the war frenzy you are making. You watch their TV and they are showing that there are sirens going on, civil defense raids going on. So you want to create war hysteria? This is another point that I want to highlight, that we request the international media to fact check before buying their stories. This is just a very fresh story about someone who was leading the prayer, the funeral prayer of the people who died in one of the unfortunate place in this 6th, 7th, one of the mosques that was taken out. And the Indians started planting that this person who was leading is brother of someone whom they claim. You people are much more informed than me on this. Huh? So they started saying, no, listen to this. It's again sad that how people fall prey to these cooked up stories. Match your notes. Your High Commissioner in UK is saying that this man is leading the prayers. Your media is saying he has died. So before you cook up a story, I would request our dear friends, whoever is writing the script over there of this fiction book that they are writing, that at least match the notes amongst yourself. You have to say once something, you have to back it up with fact and evidence. Now this man who was actually leading the prayers, whom the High Commissioner of the Indian High Commissioner is saying that he is the brother, what is he telling? Who is he? This man is Hafiz Abdul Rauf and he is telling, who am I? He is saying that I have come to know through international media, saying that I am the brother of that person. I am trying to tell you is that even if their high commissioners are telling you something, even if their ministries are telling you something, please fact check it. Don't fall prey to their misinformation, disinformation, because they live in their own cocoons, in their own bubble, in which they believe every lie that is fed to them. India has become a disinformation, misinformation churning machine, and the only thing that can counter this is fact and reality. Again, unfortunate part that even reputed journalists like Barkha Dutt, whom people tend to believe, what they are reporting on their social media. Breaking: a Pakistani pilot is in Indian custody. More details awaited. India thwarts multiple missiles and drone attacks by Pakistan on Jammu, Pathankot, and so many others. So once their persons position of authority inside India, like their high commissioners, like their spokespersons, they'll tell you lies after lies, then perhaps they are not at fault. But it's responsibility of a good journalist to fact check.